flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. The following is a summary of The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Montgomery County in southwestern Iowa, southeastern Pottawatomie County in southwestern Iowa, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles southeast of Elliott, or 8 miles northeast of Red Oak, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Grant around 4:15 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southwestern Iowa. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southwestern Iowa. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Montgomery and Pottawatomie. The tornado warning for northern Montgomery and southeastern Pottawatomie